Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GitHub Desktop and remove repositories. Step to uninstall GitHub Desktop. First, locate the application on your computer. On Windows, open the Start menu and find GitHub Desktop in the list of applications. Right-click on GitHub Desktop and select Uninstall. This will launch the uninstallation wizard. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. On macOS, open the Applications folder. Find GitHub Desktop within the folder. Drag GitHub Desktop to the trash. Next, to remove any repositories associated with GitHub Desktop, open the application. Navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen. Select Remove Repository from the drop-down menu. Choose the repository you want to delete from the list. Confirm your selection to remove the repository. For additional cleanup, you may want to delete the GitHub Desktop configuration files. On Windows, open File Explorer and enter the following path in the address bar: %aptita%. In the folder that opens, look for the GitHub Desktop folder and delete it. On macOS, open Finder and press Command+Shift+G. Type in /library application support and press Go. Find the GitHub Desktop folder and move it to the trash. Now you've successfully uninstalled GitHub Desktop and removed associated repositories. Be sure to check any other locations where you might have stored local copies of your repositories. Once you have everything cleaned up, you're all set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.